Hello, YouTube! Of course, you know who I am. I am Myrtle. What you're seeing is World of Warcraft. Oh, okay, thank you. My friend is on the phone. He just told me how to get rid of that interface. As you can see, let me see here. This one on the end is me. Let me zoom out. Zoom out. But, as you can see, if I can get the tree all the way, I created my own little deer army. Yeah, it's a deer tap dancing group. And I'm gonna see if I can get this to be a deer train. So, yeah, let's... What is it? My friend is on the phone with me, and he's playing music to go with this. This is him, by the way. That's my friend. Anyway, let's see. Okay. So, what I want to do, press Alt-Z again, and type in deer train, just to let them know, and then Alt-Z again to make that go away. And now, I'm going to start walking. It'll be hard to see them following me. This is where I need your half of the video. I know you don't have a video. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. That's my character walking out in front, so... Now if I turn around, you'll see all kinds of deers. All kinds of deers! Yay! You're not walking backwards. What is it? And a bird. Yes, a random bird. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I just phased through one. But yeah. There goes the bird. Yes, it is fun. So yeah, deer train, and who's to say that we can't turn this into a bear train? We could turn this into a bear train or a cat train. Wait, deer train. Are we all Morgans? No. Let's see, like, they're all not the same, like, the travel form's the same, but the bear form and stuff ain't. Yeah, there's no cat train. Cat train, yay, cat train! Aaron, you can leave this one. Yeah, do it, like, go that way, go the other way though. Okay, set your music. Or she can lead the way. She's leading the way. Or somebody, I don't know. Who's leading? We're wanting walk, of course. I'll start following you and maybe they'll I'll fall behind eventually. That way I can get everybody in the pick. Well, look at this. Cat train! We got a cat train, guys. A cat train. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Cat train. Everybody go straight. Oh, stuff. Oh! You're asking the impossible. Oh! Oh my god, I'm sorry guys, I threw my camera. It like flew off my pillow. Nick, they're all going super fast now! No more stuff! No more walking! Run! What a perfect way to end the video! Whee! The cats go everywhere! Panic! Let's race. What are we racing to? I don't know what we're racing to. Whee! Look, it's Minkin race. Minkins! Yay! There we go. Dancing bears. Let's end this with dancing bears. Dancing bears. So I know this video is like 7 minutes long, but look, dancing bears for the final draft. So yeah, this is World of Warcraft. Yeah, this is World of Warcraft at its finest. Now, I am a level 20 and it's a starter edition, so I can't go any further. But there are lots of activities to do on here. You don't have to be just like just this. You don't have to do this. Like, you can do whatever you want. Like, yeah. But there's plenty of quests and everything, and I think you guys should give it a try. And so that's it. See you guys in the next video. And yeah, bye.